Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a drive through Half Way Tree, and Half Way Tree is the capital of the parish of St. Andrew, but it's also the busiest place in Jamaica. So we're going to take a quick tour and drive through it. Now we are on East King's House Road. On the right is the grounds of King's House, and on the left is India House, which is the residence of the Indian ambassador to Jamaica. And we're now coming to the intersection of East King's House Road, Lady Musgrave Road, and Hope Road. Okay, so on the left where you see those palm trees, that's the entrance to King's House. And King's House is where the Governor General of Jamaica lives. So this could possibly be, this is a five roads intersect here. No, they have 5 roads intersecting in crossroads as well, but this could be one of the bigger intersections in Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to turn right and go on to Hope Road. If we turn left, we would take Hope Road up to Ligony, but we turned right and we're taking Hope Road down to Half Way Tree. Okay, so on the right now is Jamaica House. And this used to be where the Prime Minister worked, had his office, but behind Jamaica House, or beside it, is a new building called the Office of the Prime Minister. So the same way you have Vale Royal, which is the official residence of the Prime Minister, but he doesn't live there. You have Jamaica House, but he doesn't work there. There's a office on the compound that they call the Office of the Prime Minister, a much newer structure. Alright, on the left we just passed Arden Road, and on the right is the Police Officers Club. And on the left now we're passing the Arden Prep School. Now on the right is it's a school called Liberty School, but this used to be where Priory High School used to be. On the right, where they see the Liberty Academy sign, but Priory closed down and Liberty took it over. Okay, on the left is Andrews Hospital. Now straight ahead on the right, that is Devon House. And that road that the car just turned down is Kingsway Avenue. Okay, so on the right now is Devon House, which is a very popular tourist attraction in Jamaica. It's one of those old houses that existed from slavery days. They call them great houses. And you can take a tour. It has artifacts, furniture, those kind of things in there. But what makes Devon House most popular is probably the grounds. You can go. It's like a park. It's very scenic, trees, you have ice cream places, a lot of food places. So a lot of persons go over there, and that's where the famous Devon House ice cream started. They were the ice cream over at Devon House, and they call it Devon House ice cream. Now on the right, we just passed a building being constructed. That is where it's a plaza, but they're going to have Burger King over there. Okay, on the left now is the JSPCA, that's where they take care of animals. We're passing over Winchester Avenue on the left and Surbiton Avenue on the right, and on the left is the Winchester Business Center, very large commercial plaza. Alright, so we're going into the heart of Half Way Tree now. Straight ahead is, you can see the clock. And Half Way Tree is a major transportation hub in Jamaica, and more people pass through Half Way Tree every day than any other place in Jamaica. So this is the busiest place in Jamaica. Okay, so we're now at the intersection with, we are on Hope Road. We go straight across, we go on to Hagley Park Road. Turn left, we go on to Half Way Tree Road, and Half Way Tree Road will take us down to Crossroads. And from Crossroads, you can go to downtown Kingston. Now, it's a one-way, but if that road that you see on the right of the clock, that's Constant Spring Road, and that runs all the way from Stony Hill or the Manor Park area all the way down to Half Way Tree at this intersection. On the right, you can see some vendors. It's actually a park over there. But this clock is, it's been around for hundreds of years, from the time the British ruled Jamaica, or we were a colony of England. All the major towns had these clocks. It doesn't work anymore. It was restored the other day, but it caught on fire and it's just symbolic now. It doesn't work. Alright, so Half Way Tree has about 3 major bus stops. Right here on the left is one. Today is a Sunday, so it's not going to be very busy. But the major bus park is the government bus park, which is a Half Way Tree Transport Center, and that's where the government buses would go. And it is the largest bus park in Jamaica. So we're going to take a look at that. This is Eastwood Park Avenue. And straight ahead is the St. Andrew Parish Church. It's one of the oldest churches in Jamaica. It was founded in 1664. And it's a very iconic structure in Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the Half Way Tree Transport Center now. Okay, straight ahead on the left, that's Malines Road. Where that blue car just turned, that's Malines Road. And Malines Road will take you all the way back to Washington Boulevard. Alright, so straight ahead on the right now, that's the Half Way Tree Transport Center. Very nice bus park. Have to really give the government who built it credit. And this is how every parish in Jamaica, or wherever you have the major transportation hub in every parish, should have a bus park like this. Very nicely done. And when I say government, I don't know which one built it, but it's very nicely done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.